And this is a story of a 1968 GTO wagon. This car belongs to and he's a retiree and he just loves these. They're very rare in Canada. He's had it restored. It has a custom paint job. So unfortunately, it got hit on a car show that Bob likes to frequent. So luckily, the paint didn't get damaged on the door. It kind of got backed into and rubbed the door backwards a bit. So we're gonna do paintless dent repair on this instead of painting it. We have to take it apart because the damage is quite low on the car and it needs an adjustment anyways. So we're going to take it off and do the paintless dent repair and put it back on. So why are we doing this? It's because this is a custom paint job. It is red, solid red, but with all custom paint jobs and one done as nice as this, it's really hard to match a paint because a lot of times painters, they don't mix it to an exact formula, so it's really hard to match the color. So it could be a very big paint job. So we're going to do this classic car in a very modern way. We're going to take the door off, repair the dent paintlessly, give it a polish, put it back on the car and realign it, and then it's going to be ready to go. And it's going to be happy. So please check out the video. Take care. Peace.
Got to brace the slide. Sliding around me, but using that to help lift the metal. Sliding along the crease here.
Hey guys, this is just an update on this GTO door. I got the dent pretty much done. There is some marks from pushing on those creases, and this is hold metal, so it's quite thick. And the push marks look a little bit different. I don't know if you can see in the camera capture. But yeah, it's really thick metal, and there is some kind of spray-on rubber, I think gravel guard sort of product inside I had to push through. So I'm going to respray the inside with some cavity wax to take care of any rusting issues. And also there's a bit of a low, you can see in the white light there. So I'm going to bring that up right now, going through these holes from underneath. So, and that should finish the door. And the next step would be to reinstall the door and seal up around the hinges there to prevent it cracking, because the paint actually cracked from the impact on this one. So the next step, it's going to go to the body shop to do a little bit of spot painting and alignment, and this should be ready for the customer. So this is his retirement car, and Bob just loves this car. So unfortunately, at a car show, someone backed into him. So you can see that dent there. So sad, because he just loves this thing. The door is in a bit, and the alignment is a bit tight on this side. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it should be a bit wider. So I'm gonna get the help of the body shop next door to help me out on this one, because I don't know these old cars very well. It also cracked the seal in here and needs a bit of a paint job in there, but he doesn't want to paint this, but he's okay with painting this stuff. But the guys next door at Blue Chip, they restore cars all the time, so this is right up their alley. They're gonna help me out on this. So hopefully they can get that door out for me a bit too, because I don't think I'm gonna be pulling this paint. Obviously it's a restored car. It's too much risk involved. So let's see how it goes.